Did you know you can help this channel grow either directly or indirectly? Today, I will share with you how you can help this channel in your own special way. If you would like to help the channel directly, you can do so by becoming a Patreon of the channel, or you can simply follow the link, donate direct, for a one-time contribution. All of your kindness helps this channel grow and helps me commit more of my time to helping you advance on this journey of cello. If you choose to do things indirectly that will both benefit the channel and you, may I suggest these three things. First, take a look at all of the Amazon affiliate links that I have in the description. When you make a purchase on Amazon, even though you may not purchase that exact item, if you start your shopping via one of those links, then the channel receives a very small commission. Another way that you can help the channel out indirectly is by allowing the ads that play to fully play. You can even check out those ads if you wish. I myself have followed this advice, and I purchased this credit card reader because of an advertisement I saw on YouTube. Those ads are geared toward what you want. So take a look at them or just simply let them play out. It helps the channel greatly and you don't have to do anything. I know it's a silly thing to ask, but there are things that I do need help with, and I hate asking, but sometimes you just have to. Now, I would be remiss to not mention a very direct way you can help the channel and help yourself at the same time. The basis of my pedagogy started with research with my students, finding what is most effective, asking them what they wanted, and then putting all of their desires and the fundamentals into a streamlined, modern package. And that's what this scalebook is. This scalebook I'm holding is a product of research I did for about 8 years with my studio students. This is what you get when you teach in real life to students of all ages and desires and skills, and everybody wants a little something. I designed this book to answer most of the 1, 2, 3 year students' questions. It has all the skills that you would possibly ever need to know, in addition to introductions to tenor clef and also arpeggios. They're ready to go in packages, sent anywhere in the world. You can also get PDF versions of these provided to you directly if you don't want one of these. I want to thank you for watching my video. If you learned something, leave a like. Here's more content here that you might find interesting. I hope you take the time to check some of that out as well. And I appreciate you including this channel on your journey of music discovery.